Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am back with another video. I am super excited to do this video today. Today's video will be on how to make sweet potato pies. The holiday, Thanksgiving, is coming pretty fast. And I hope that this video is beneficial to those that don't know how to make sweet potato pies, or for those who want to improve their recipe or try a new recipe. So our goal today is to make 3 regular pie crust sweet potato pies, not deep dish. This will just be for regular pie crust. So we have 6 medium sweet potatoes that I have already baked on 400 for about an hour to an hour and a half. Everyone's oven is different. So stick a fork, knife, toothpick in the potato to see if it's done. And if it's done all the way through, it's ready to use. So we're going to let these cool off, and then we're going to come back and we're going to demonstrate on how to complete the recipe and the baking process on the sweet potato pie. So just stay tuned. These are the ingredients that we will be using to mix up the sweet potato pie. So we have the 6 yams, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of nutmeg, 1½ cup of sugar, 1 stick of unsalted melted butter, 6 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, 1 teaspoon of coconut, 1 teaspoon of almond, and 1 teaspoon of butter. We also have 1½ cup of evaporated milk and 1 teaspoon of salt. Salt, just adding a little bit of salt will take out the bitterness of the actual yams. So we're going to get this all mixed up. Okay, we're going to go ahead and start adding our ingredients. We have 6 eggs. I'm going to put those right in there. We have our stick of melted butter. Okay. Nutmeg, cinnamon, evaporated milk, sugar, salt, and our flavors. Now the flavors, the extracts, it's up to you, your judgment on what flavors you want to use. I like to use a couple of them. So I did mention the ones that I do use: coconut, butter, vanilla, and almond. And also I'm going to add a little bit of lemon. Okay. So I'll grab the lemon extract. We'll use a little bit of that. The more flavors you use, the better your pie will come out as far as taste-wise. But if you just want to use one, that's up to you. So we're going to start the mixing process. I am going to add a ½ cup more of sugar. It is not to my tasting. It's a little bitter, so I will add just a little bit more sugar and mix this up. I am going to go ahead and add the flour in. I'm adding that in last. We're going to go ahead and mix that up. All of the ingredients have been added, so this is a perfect consistency right here. It's not too watery and it's not too thick. It's just perfect. So we're going to go ahead and add this into the pie crust. We do have the oven preheated at 325, and you're going to cook the pie for about an hour. You do have to watch it though, because you want your edges to be brown and your middle to be done. So I'm putting it on 325 so it doesn't cook too fast. So it's up to your discretion on how golden you want your pie to be. So I'm gonna put mine on for about an hour, and then I'm going to check it, and then we're gonna see how it looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the filling inside here. If you can see, let it do it this way. Okay, so here's the pie crust right here. This is a regular pie crust, so we're going to get 3 pies out of here. It's not for deep dish. This recipe is not for 3 pies for deep dish, okay? So we're going to fill this up. Remember to taste your pie filling after you mix it all up to see what it tastes like. Sometimes you'll have to add. It just depends on your taste buds. If you want it to be a little bit sweet, you want more flavor. So just check it by tasting it, and then you can go from there before you put it in the oven. Because once it goes in the oven, it's a wrap. You won't be able to go back and fix it up at all. Okay, so this pie is all ready to go into the oven. 325, it's already preheated. So I'll come back with the finished product. Okay, we're gonna take a sneak peek in the oven to see how the pie is doing. Okay, it's been about an hour. It's almost done. I want to let the edges get just a little bit more browner. So we're gonna put the timer on about 10 more minutes. The pie is out of the oven. It took about an hour and 10 minutes to bake to get this golden look that we have here. We're gonna let it cool off, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the taste testing. All right, this pie is all complete. We're gonna go ahead and get a taste of it just to see what it tastes like. Scrumptious. I hope that you liked this video. As I said before, when you're baking and cooking, put some love in it, take your time, and everything will come out just right. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Everything will be listed below in the description box. Please have a happy holiday.